All right, I got the Tenlery mobile phone video amplifier. It's an 18-inch screen magnifier. You put your cell phone back behind there, and you look through the screen, and it blows it up. This ought to be kind of interesting. It says its product is suitable for mobile phone models under 7 inches. I'm going to try it with a Samsung Galaxy S9. So we'll see. Let's open it up and see what we get in here. I can see something like this being great for kids, seniors, a young man like myself, prime of his life. Okay, so what we have here is it's made out of plastic. Doesn't feel like it's made from Fort Knox type material. The way this works is you pull this screen out right here, lean this back, then you pull this back guy out right here, and I'm guessing my phone sits in there. So here's a video of me doing the unboxing here, and let me scroll this around to show you. It's a little phone. It's a little Samsung Galaxy S20. It just sits right here on this rubber base right here. Yeah, it's like soft rubber right here. Sits right in here. We flipped our screen up already. So let me roll it around. It's hard to show you exactly how well this works. I mean, it's not picture perfect technology, but it does work good. Hold on, watch this. So we're cruising around. I don't know if you can see that or not. As well as I can see it. It doesn't do it. My camera isn't doing it justice. I'm actually seeing it blown up to here with my own eyes. But it definitely blows it up. The picture's pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's good. And it's kind of a neat thing. I could see this being good for senior citizens, maybe kids. So let me just show you. I'm going to come over the top here. So this is definitely an interesting device. If looking for an affordable screen magnifier for a cell phone, pretty interesting. You might want to check this one out. This is the 3D 18-inch screen magnifier by Tenlery. Check it out.